Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I know I haven't showed my face in a while, but I'm out of the military now. So yeah, this happened. So this is the homeless veteran look I'm going for. Shouldn't make jokes about that though. So today's video is just me fixing the CNC machine. It's gonna be a little bit different than normal. It's just gonna be kind of like a time lapse of me working on it, and that's it. It's not gonna be a lot of commentary on it. So yeah, get ready for that. It's not an instrument cluster repair. It's just me fixing my CNC machine, just replacing a bent lead screw and a bent stepper motor. But I got it back working. Spoiler. But, but you can watch the whole thing and see it work at the end. Uh, I'm really excited to have so many people on the channel now. I mean, the channel has pretty much doubled overnight thanks to Jeff supporting the channel and well, not supporting, but giving me a shout out and telling these people to join. So I'm really excited to have all these new faces on the channel. I really love making these videos and sharing what I know with you guys. This is my first planned video since then, so I did a couple little quick things. One was like a rant about some idiot on Facebook that got me a little heated, and then the other one was just like me living under a rock and have never seen one of these where it had wires on it. Apparently it's common from hearing from you guys. I don't know how I've never seen them before, because I've done quite a few of those instrument clusters. They're not like what I do the most of, but I get 2 or 3 a month, so I mean, I've had quite a few come across the desk. So surprised I hadn't seen that yet, but there's all sorts of things out there I haven't seen. I don't know everything, and I don't pretend like I know everything. I know I can be kind of arrogant and be an asshole. That's how I am. But I just wanted to say I'm happy to see all these new faces. I'm happy you're here. And thank you for joining my channel and giving me a chance here. So, welcome to today's video where we're gonna fix the CNC machine. Okay, guys, so we fixed the CNC machine. It is now working. You get to see it run. So thanks for sticking through the video. I know probably kind of boring, just a couple of screws, couple of rods, whatever. Uh, I haven't edited it yet. I don't know how long it is yet. That's just recording the ending here. But again, I want to reemphasize on what I talked about in the beginning. I really appreciate all the new viewers here. I appreciate you guys coming. I know I may have come off as a jerk in my last two videos. Well, I mean, my last video I wasn't a jerk, but I was a little bit down in the comment section. I'm not trying to be mean to any of the viewers. I really like you guys being here. I'm not going to change the way I run my channel, especially something that's going to add a very significant amount of time on editing for something I'm not making any money off of. I don't make any money off the channel. It's not monetized. Once I get monetized, I absolutely will spend more time on editing if I'm making money. And I am trying to improve the channel. I'm trying to do small things to improve. Like, I need to get a better microphone for myself and the camera because this really isn't the best audio quality on this headset. And I got a new microphone for the camera. I haven't been doing much outdoors with it that really need a microphone. Like this video, I need a microphone. There's nothing to talk about. It's just, hey, I cut these wires, red goes to red, blue goes to blue. It's all there is there. There's nothing to talk about. So we got to listen to music while I worked on something, because I'm sure I'm going to edit in music, but whatever. Just like I'm not going to use my microscope for something that really doesn't need to be shown. Like it is very necessary to show the solder on the MCU when I replace an MCU, and you'll always see me use the microscope when I replace it and go around it with the microscope. So, but if it's like, hey, I'm going to jiggle this wire and show you it flickering, it's got a cracked solder joint. Just take my word for it. It's got a cracked solder joint. I float it, it worked. That's all there is to it. That's not going to happen. That adds 10-15 minutes of editing for every little clip I do, because I have to turn off the camera, unplug the HDMI cable from the camera, plug it into the HDMI cable on there, record it, splice in that in the editing. It's a lot of extra work. So I try to zoom in with the camera sometimes when necessary, and then when really necessary, I'll get the microscope out. But I'm not trying to defend arguing with I can't even remember the username with them, but it's that you come to my channel and try to get me to change the channel. It's not gonna happen. I do this for fun. It's a lot of fun. I really love doing the videos, and I like doing them the way I do them. I'm always open to suggestions though. But if you're gonna go, I'm leaving because you're not doing it my way, okay, leave. I mean, I'm not going to bend over backwards for somebody for something I'm doing for free and you're watching for free. So yeah, sorry, but I'm not sorry. I don't feel bad. I just want y'all to know that I appreciate you. I really do. I appreciate your input. I appreciate him letting me know that I should use the microscope more. I didn't think about that really as a issue. I didn't think anyone would have an issue with me showing that something's cracked without like physically showing the crack. Like, hey, it's cracked. It's the ground plane. The ground plane's always cracked on these. That's that. I didn't think that would be an issue. It's something I'm now more aware of, and I will be conscious about. If there's something that I think may justify the microscope to show, I'll absolutely use it. I need to get a better camera for it. This camera is also just not that great. It doesn't. I can't focus this with this particular camera and my eyepiece at the same time. I just can't get it focused. It's this adapter. I used the Amscope adapter that's for the Amscope. I really need to get one that, because it has a little lens inside there. I need to get one that doesn't have the lens in it, so that way I can focus it better. So it's also hard for me to record and do that. If I zoom it all the way out, which is pretty much pointless, I can use both at the same time. And the microscope itself is zoomed a little bit from that because of that little lens that's on there. I don't know why. But yeah, this is a nice setup. I really like this microscope, and I got a good deal on it. Again, thank you guys for joining the channel. Thank you for making it through the video, and I'm super happy to be halfway to 1,000 subs. I mean, that's amazing. I didn't think it'd happen. I've been getting a little disheartened with how slow the growth has been. I really expected to be there by now, but I know I'm not the best. I'm not the best. I put no effort into making these videos, and I guess I'm sorry for that. I should put more effort into editing, but I'd have to learn a lot, and I'm busy learning stuff that's making me money right now. I think that first paycheck from YouTube, when I go, oh, this money's real, even if it's $2, that'll be that motivation to get it on. Maybe I should do a Patreon. I don't know. I don't want to. I don't want to ask you guys for money. I really don't want to ask you guys for money. Um, so that's not gonna. I'm not gonna do a Patreon. That's not. Then I'd have to put a lot of effort in. I'd feel too much pressure. So that's not happening. So, but yeah, I appreciate you guys. I'm really happy to have y'all here. And I can't wait to do my next video. I'm not sure what it's going to be on because I'm waiting on some different stuff to come in the mail. So I have a couple of different things that could be the next video. It could be either the 2005, 2006, 2007. Those all three have the same microcontroller. Trying to dump and flash those. Or if Jeff's cluster that he sent me comes in before that, I may be working on the 03, 04s, erasing the MCU and then trying to write to it. I don't want to erase one of my two good ones, so Jeff's sending me one that he's okay with it getting bricked from our conversation. So I'm gonna try erasing that, see if the erase works, and after I erase it, see if I can write back to it. So that'll be that. So got a couple of really exciting videos. It's gonna be really good information for people when they come out. I got my stuff to do, start doing my class, but I gotta make it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm done rambling.